So hi guys. So today we will try to find out the value of x. Okay, when the equation e to the power sin x minus x equal to 0. This is exponential as to the power sin x minus x equal to 0. So let us find out this. So firstly, before finding the solution, we have to know whether this equation has one solution, two solution, or infinite solution. So for that, let's start. So we can write here e to the power sin x, okay, equal to x, right? In the further step, taking ln both sides, right? Ln e to the power sin x equal to ln x, right? Now we know that as a property, okay, ln, okay, e to the power a, okay, that is equal to always a. This is the property of ln, logarithmic function having the base exponential e, okay. So similarly, by seeing this ln e to the power a equal to a, we can write ln e to the power sin x equal to sin x equal to ln x. I hope this is clear, guys, right? Now we have to find out the value of x where the function sin x equal to the function ln x, right? So for that, what we will do, we will make the graph of sin x and we will make the graph of ln x and we will try to find out the intersection of both. Okay, so let's do like this. Let's take a function y equal to sin x and let's take the second function y equal to ln x. Okay, and where the intersection point would be there, that is the x. Now we will see how many solutions are there. Okay, so let's make the graph first. Right. So firstly, I would like to make the graph of the function ln x. Right. So let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So y equal to ln x, right? So we know if we have y equal to ln x, right? So for this, we always know that at x equal to 1, y equal to ln 1 equal to 0. So at x equal to 1, y equal to ln 1, that is equal to 0. So as x equal to 1, this is the point where it will cut. Okay, and similarly at x equal to e, y equal to ln e, and that is equal to 1. Ln e equal to 1. You can say ln e to the power a equal to a, hence y equal to ln e equal to 1. Okay, so at x equal to e, so what's the value of e? E is around 2.7. Okay, so nearby it's 2.5, nearby here. Here the value of ln x is always 1. Okay, and in this in between, the value would go towards minus. We should always note that the value of ln x, where x is in between 0 and 1, would be always negative. It will go in minus infinity, right? So we can draw a function like this, okay. It will be a never ending function. It will go into minus infinity, okay, and here it is going like this and this way. Okay, so this is a graph of y equal to ln x. Okay, This is the graph of y equal to ln x. Okay. Now let's draw the y equal to sin x graph. We all know y equal to sin x graph. Okay. But we have to find the value of pi by 2, pi, and that pi by 2, what is at x equal to pi. Okay. Now what is the value of pi? 3.14. Okay. We have sin x, that is y equal to sin x equal to sin, okay, pi equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, we can draw the graph. So for x equal to pi by 2, we know sin 90 is 1. For x equal to pi, we know sin pi equal to 0. Okay. Sin pi by 2 would be 3.14 by 2. That is 1.57. So it would be here, around here, 1.5. Let me do in this way. 1.57. Okay, this is the point, which is pi by 2. Here sin pi by 2 is always equal to 1. Okay, sin pi is 3.14, means here, somewhere here. Okay, this is pi. Here it would be 0. Okay, here it would be 0. Sin pi by 2, it would be 1. Sin 0, we know 0. Right? Are you getting my point? Right? So in this way, this graph would be going on. Right? So if I make the graph, okay, if I make the graph, so it would be something like this. Like this. Okay. And going forward, like it's pi, and 2 pi would be 6 point something, right? 6.2, like here, 2 pi, and 3 pi by 2 means pi 4 point something, right? So in this way, it would be going like this, right? And this, we know the sine function, right? In this way. So if you see, our question is where sin x equal to ln x. So at this point it is intersecting this point. So from this we came to know that for this equation, there is only one solution because it is intersecting at only one point. Okay. So we know that we have only one solution, that we are very clear. Only one solution, right? So when we have one solution, so if we see, you have 4 solutions, suppose in the JEE Advanced or in any of the competitive examination, a question like this is coming, okay? Now what would you do? You can anticipate like this value is something more than 2, in between 2 and what is this? 2.7. We know that this is where ln is 0 and this is 2.7, which is E. ln E is 1. So we know that this value is in between 2 and 2.7. Okay. So we know that x, the solution exists always. Solution is in between. X is in between 2.7 and 2. Right. So when you will dedicatedly make the graph, then you can find out here the value of x is 2. Can anybody guess the value of x? The value of x is around 2.22. Okay. So when you will find out in a detailed manner when you will make the graph, so value would be x equal to 2.22. You can check with the help of calculator. This equation would be satisfied. Right? So I have explained each and everything. If you have any question regarding this, you can ask in the comment section. Right? So in the end we can write here. The solution for this equation is only one solution, and that is x equal to 2.22. Okay, and when you will put x equal to 2.22, this equation would be satisfied, right? So since I am explaining it in a bit detail in a competition, in any competitive examination, you can execute it in a very fast way, and you will identify that there is only one solution in which is. I hope this concept is clear. If you have any question, please do comment, and I will explain to you in my further video. Thank you so much. Thank you.